Hi, thanks for joining the channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to deploy a LAMP stack with Puppet. So the first thing to do is to create a manifest. A manifest is the file that is going to be used by the Puppet engine. The extension is .pp. So as you can see, I've created two files, LAMP and LAMP roll. LAMP is for the rollout and LAMP roll is for the rollback. So if we want to deploy, first we're gonna try to roll back just to make sure everything is fine. I'm gonna show you the content of lamp.pp and lamproll.pp. Here is the content. So first of all, you need to get all the updates for the packages before running your command, just to make sure you get the last version of the packages you would like to be installed. So you have Apache 2. You have to check if the service is up and running. Same thing for MySQL, and for PHP, since it's not a service, you check if info.php has been installed, and it's enough. So now let's run the command. Let's do the rollout, properly speaking. Everything was good. Just let's double check if Apache is up and running. Apache is up and running, so that was quick, and that was it. I can show you how to roll back. Very simple. Let me open the file. We just need to replace installed by absent and running by stopped, and it's going to be the reverse operation. Don't forget to subscribe to that channel, and let me know if you have more questions, or just leave me some comments below that video. Thank you so much for watching.